Pyramid. Pyramid is a solid figure and it is a three-dimensional figure. In pyramid, we observe here pyramid is formed by a polygon base. This is base of the pyramid, and triangles. These triangles are meet at a point. That point is called vertex. Here, these all triangles are meet this common point, that is called vertex. In this way, pyramid is formed with polygon base and with triangles. These are different types of pyramids. It has triangular base, so it is triangular pyramid. It has square base, so it is square pyramid. It has rectangular base, so it is rectangular pyramid. So all are pyramids here. This has pentagonal, that means 5 sides, so it is pentagonal pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid means a base which has 6 sides, that is hexagonal pyramid. So in pyramid we observe this is called face. This is face, this is vertices, this is edge, and this is base. So number of sides in a base, if number of sides in a base is consider n, then number of vertices is equals to n plus 1, value of vertices, and number of sides is equals to, or number of faces are equals to n plus 1. Number of edges are equals to 2n. Here we observe this pyramid has 4 sides, that equals to 4. How many vertices we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n plus 1, 4 plus 1 equals to 5. And n plus 1 faces, that also 4 plus 1, 5. Faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces. 2n. Number of edges we observe in 2n means 8. 1, 2, here also 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. Next, volume of pyramid. Volume. What is the formula for volume? 1 by 3 into area of base. Area of base into height. 1 by 3 area of base into height is volume formula. So V equals to 1 by 3 area of base into height. In this problem, find out the volume of this pyramid. V equals to 1 by 3. Here area of this square pyramid. Base we have 5 centimeters. So area of this base is equals to, area of square is equals to L into L, or side into side. So 5 into 5 into height here given 9. So 9 centimeters. 3 3s are 25 into 3. That equals to 75 centimeter cube. centimeter cube. Next one is total surface area. Total surface area of pyramid. In this pyramid, what is the total surface area? Total surface area means this area plus this area, all four triangles area plus base area. That is called total surface area. All faces area is called total surface area. So, formula for total surface area is equals to half into PS plus B. What is the formula here? Half into PS plus B. Half into PS plus B. This is total surface area. If in this formula P equals to perimeter of this base and S equals to slant height, that means this height is called slant height. If we consider 10 centimeters of slant height, then B equals to here base of the area, this area. This is base area and this is perimeter of base perimeter. So P is here perimeter. What is the perimeter of this square? Perimeter of square equals to 4 into A, that equals to 5 into 4 is equals to 20. So 20 into S is slant height, that equals to 10 centimeters, and plus B is base area. Base area is length into length, side square, is equals to 25. So here formula is half into PS plus B. Half into perimeter of this square is 4 into 5, 20 into S means slant height, that is we take 10 centimeters, 10 plus base area is 25 because side square. So if we cancel this, 100 plus 25, that equals to 125 centimeter square. Total surface area of pyramid.